Well, I am here at Annabelle Estates. I am at the model home. This is the Bradley. These are Dreamfinder homes. Dreamfinders was started more as a luxury home builder, but they created a more budget-friendly model for Polk County. They have been in Polk County for a while. This is the Bradley, and the Bradley is a 4-bed, about 1625 square feet, and you can get this home new for less than $350,000, about $340K. This is bedroom number 1. You got your guest bath. They have granite and quartz countertops. Carpet in the bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 2. This floor has, this home has laminate in the wet areas and common areas. That's a door that goes to the garage, which is their offices right now. Bedroom 3. And then you got your laundry room. So obviously that detailing on the wall is an upgrade that wouldn't come in the home. You got your big island with a sink. 42-inch cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. The home does come with all appliances. You got your dining area. And all their homes come with a covered lanai. And honestly, that is different. That is an upgrade. A lot of builders don't do that anymore. And then your living area. And into your owner's suite. And your owner's bath. You've got walk-in closet, walk-in shower, and dual sink vanity. I have to say a lot of builders are moving away from that, which I think is a dumb move, but that's what they're doing. This one is still doing the dual sink vanity in the master. The CDD in here is about $1,900. That covers all your amenities and is paid as part of your property taxes. And the HOA is $38 for the year. This community will have a tot lot, it will have a pool, and it has pickleball courts. So a nice set of community amenities. These homes that I'll show you here along this strip are all move-in ready, so you could buy now. And they will be having about 50 homes in this community, and they'll have some available between now and throughout December and January. So this is a good opportunity. Again, this is a 4-bedroom. This is their model home, and it's listed for $340,000. They are giving $10,000 towards closing cost assistance right now. So definitely a good opportunity for you. Let's go look at another model. And this is your 3-bedroom model. This is the Auburnale. Let's go inside and take a look. Come in, it's your hallway. And to the right in front of the home, you've got a bedroom. Got your guest bath, shower tub combo. Bedroom number 2. Door to your garage. Again, 2-car garage door opener. Your laundry room. Open floor plan, kitchen island, covered lanai. Again, 42-inch cabinets, quartz countertops, your pantry, and then your third bedroom, your owner's suite. Walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. So again, this is the Auburnale model. This home is move-in ready. And this home is $301,000. So for right around $300,000, again, closing cost assistance of $10,000, you could be in this home. So home prices in here from $280,000 to $350,000. So all of these homes I've shown you are $350,000 or less. Reach out to me. I would love to help you purchase one of these homes. I have good relationships with a lot of builders in Polk County. So if these don't meet your needs, there probably is a builder building a home that does. But they do make a good quality home. And Annabelle Estates is going to be a nice community here. 3 different builders. So reach out. Let's get you into a new home before the end of the year.